Hi students, welcome to your channel MRNS Educational and Social Service. Dear students, last videos lo differential equations solving methods discuss chesam. Last video lo linear differential equation discuss chesam. Students, now Bernoulli's differential equation, how to solve the Bernoulli's differential equation. My dear students, it is the fifth method, fifth type. An equation of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x into y power n. Dear students, linear differential equation ante y power n undadu. This is called linear differential equation in y. Q of x into y power n into y power n, it is called Bernoulli's differential equation of degree n. Here n, y power is n. Dear students, to solve the Bernoulli's differential equation, divide with y power n on both sides. So 1 by y power n into dy by dx plus p of x into y by y power n means y power n minus 1 equal to q of x dx. So to solve this Bernoulli's differential equation, divide what term here we have y term, divide with on both sides. Now take y 1 by y power n minus 1 by y power n minus 1 as t or v, whatever it may be. Differentiate. We can write it as like this: y power minus of n minus 1 equal to t. Differentiate. Here it is form x power n minus of n minus 1, y power minus of n minus 1 minus 1 into dy by dx equal to dt by dx. X power n model n into x power n minus 1 into y derivative is dy by dx equal to dt by dx. Dear students, when you multiply it to minus, it becomes minus n plus 1 minus 1. 1 getting cancelled. Minus of n minus 1 y power n, this value, into dy by dx equal to dt by dx. Now students, cross multiply minus of n minus 1 to this side. We get 1 by y power n into dy by dx equal to dt by dx. And when you cross multiply it, we get minus 1 by n minus 1. Substitute this value and this value in this equation. In place of 1 by y power n dy by dx, minus 1 by n minus 1 into dt by dx plus p of x into t equal to q of x. It is a constant term. We can cross multiply. So dt by dx equal plus minus of n minus 1 into p of x into t equal to minus of n minus 1 into q of x. Now it becomes LDE in t, linear differential equation in t. Dear students, just cross multiply or multiply with minus of n minus 1 on both sides. We get linear differential equation t. From this onwards, find integrating factor, e power integration of what coefficient of t here we have, take it as here and write down the solution. It is a linear differential equation t. So t into integrating factor equal to q of x. Here we have what term here? Minus of n minus 1 into q of x. Minus of n minus 1 integrating factor into dx plus a. So LDE start చేయడం లాస్ట్ వీడియోలో మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాం కదా. Here important point is q of x into y term to divide చేయాలి. What y term here we have, we divide with that term on both sides. After that, take this term value as a t. This is the process to find Bernoulli's differential equation. We will see one example. Now dear students, let us see example. Solve x into dy by dx plus y equal to x cube into y power 6. Students, don't bother about this x. Here we have examine y power 6. So definitely it is a Bernoulli's differential equation. First, you divide with x on both sides. Now it becomes dy by dx plus 1 by x into y equal to, when you divide with x, here x square y power 6. Now divide with y power 6. Divide with y power 6 on both sides. 1 by y power 6 dy by dx plus 1 by x into, when you divide with y power 6, y getting cancelled, 1 by y power 5 equal to x square. Now friends, take this value as a t. 1 by y power 5 equal to t. Tell me its derivative. Minus 5 into 1 by y power 6 into dy by dx equal to dt by dx. Differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative dy by dx. From this minus 5 cross multiply, this value is minus 1 by 5 dt by dx. 1 by x, this is we consider as a t equal to x square. Dear students, minus 1 by 5 is a constant. Minus 1 by 5 is constant. Cross multiply or keep that one like that. See, implies dt by dx minus 5 by x t minus 5x square. Multiply with minus 5 on both sides. Minus 5 getting cancelled, 1 minus 5 by x. It is linear differential equation in t, because t remaining term x term, here is x term. So find integrating factor. E power integration p of x dx, e power integration, now p of x is minus 5 by x dx. Minus 5 constant, take it outside. E power minus 5 integration 1 by x dx. Dear students, e power minus 5 1 by x integration is the log x. Minus 5 goes to power, here base e. Base e are equal, then it becomes logarithm, eliminate. Generally it is e power log of x power minus 5 base e. Both are same, answer is x power minus 5, that is 1 by x power 5. Understood? E power, formula is like this, a power log x base a. If bases are both are equal, answer is x. So this is the integrating factor, not a solution. Now solution is what? It is a linear differential equation in t. Solution is t into integrating factor, integration. See, this is from 1. You can already consider as 1, so take it as this is 2. From 2 minus 5x square into integrating factor. First you write down formula, q of x integrating factor d of x plus c. T into integrating factor is 1 by x power 5. E power q of x is minus 5x square. Integrating factor is 1 by x power 5 dx plus c. Students, what is t value? What is t value? This is the t value. T value is 1 by y power 5. 1 by y power 5 1 by x power 5. X square means 2 times getting cancelled, 1 by x cube dx plus c implies minus plus xy whole power 5 minus 5 1 by x cube integration x power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1, it becomes minus 1 by 2 x square plus c. X power minus 3 integration x power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1, x power minus 2 కిందకు వస్తే x square. So 5 by 2 1 by xy whole power 5 minus into minus plus 5 by 2 x square plus c. So this is the solution of given differential equation. Now students, another example. Solution of dy by dx equal to 1 minus of x into y minus 6 minus x cube into y minus x whole cube is, students, is it homogeneous? No. Is it non-homogeneous? No. Is it linear differential equation? What is the form of the linear differential equation? dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Not like this. But by taking some substitution here, you may convert it into either linear differential equation or Bernoulli's differential equation. When you observe here, y minus x term is here, these two terms. First put y minus x equal to v. Differentiate dy by dx minus 1 equal to dv by dx. Now dy by dx equal to 1 plus dv by dx. Substitute these in 1. From 1 plus dv by dx equal to 1 minus x into v minus x cube into v cube. Now dear students, 1 getting cancelled, bring negative term to this side plus x into v equal to minus x cube into v cube. Now it is Bernoulli's differential equation in v because v cube. Bernoulli's differential equation form is dy by dx p of x into y equal to q of x y power n. So y power n, like that. In place of y here we have v cube. Yes or no? Now to solve this 2, divide with v cube on both sides. Divide with v cube on both sides. We get 1 by v cube into dv by dx x into 1 by v square because 1 v getting cancelled equal to minus x cube. Now students, it is 3. Take 1 by v square equal to t, the general method. It is v power minus 2. It becomes minus 1 by v cube into dv by dx equal to dt by dx. Cross multiply minus 2. So 1 by v cube into dv by dx equal to minus 1 by 2 dt by dx. Substitute these two values in this. It becomes, this value is minus 1 by 2 dt by dx, which plus x into 1 by v square you consider as t minus x cube. Dear students, multiply with the minus 2, it becomes dt by dx minus 2x into t 2x cube minus getting cancelled Now integrating factor equal to e power integration minus 2x dx. Minus 2 constant, integration of x square by 2 to getting cancelled, it is e power minus x square. Now solution is here in terms of t into integrating factor e power minus x square. Tell me q of x, and here 2x cube e power minus x square dx plus c. Now dear students, what is t value? T value 1 by v square. 1 by v square e power minus x square. See this integration carefully. Take minus x square equal to p minus 2x dx equal to dp. X dx equal to minus 1 by 2 dp. See this substitution clearly. My dear students, see, take minus 2 minus x square, minus into minus plus e power minus x square x dx plus c. Here we have x cube. I separate x square into x because minus x square is p, minus 2, it is p e power p, x dx is minus 1 by 2 dp. 2 getting cancelled, minus into minus plus, p e power p, apply by parts formula, p integration of p power p e power p, derivative of p integration of p power p e power p dp plus c. P into e power p, integration of e power p plus c. Now this side, what is v value? V value y minus x. So 1 by y minus x whole square e power minus x square. Therefore, e power minus x square by y minus x whole square, p value is minus x square, students. Minus x square e power minus x square, e power minus x square plus c. Multiply with the e power x square, students. Multiply with the e power x square. That answer becomes like this. Multiply with the e power x square. E power x square, e power minus x square 1. 1 by y minus x whole square. It becomes 1 minus x square minus 1 plus c into e power x square. This is the answer. So it may be negative terms here. Bring these two terms to this side. This answer maybe becomes like this: 1 by y minus x whole square plus x square plus 1 equal to c into e power x square. Or sometimes multiply, we will get answer. Okay, students. సో మన ఇందులో మనకి బెర్నౌల్లీస్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ కొన్ని మోడల్స్ చెప్పాను. నా వీడియోస్ కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఈ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్లో ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోస్ కూడా మీరు జాగ్రత్తగా చూసుకోండి. బాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, జై హింద్.